The following guidelines are hereby prescribed to implement the required film showing of at least 10 minutes pertaining to the vessel's safety, health, and sanitation to be shown on its passenger cargo vessel, which was approved by Marina on the 12th day of July 1991. Mabuhay! Welcome aboard MV Island Fastcraft 1. This ship has a complement of 3 officers and 4 crew members. For easy identification, they are all in their prescribed uniform. We shall be cruising at the speed of 18 knots. For details of our sailing schedules, port of call, as well as passage and freight rates, please call us at telephone numbers 032-416-6880, 416-6883, 416-6559, and 343-7411. And may we refer you also to the Marina telephone numbers 032-232-5759, 232-4916, 412-9533, and to the information posted conspicuously on board. This ship is authorized to carry a total of 132 passengers. All are insured at 200,000 pesos each as required under Marina IRR 9295 as amended. Please note, as a rule, only passengers issued valid tickets and included in the passenger's manifest are deemed insured in this voyage. If you have not been included in the passenger's manifest, please report immediately to the ship's officers and crew. For your complaints, please don't hesitate to approach the ship captain and it will be transmitted to the owner promptly. A safety feature of this ship, it is equipped with a magnetic compass, a two-way VHF transceiver, and global positioning system GPS and other standard aids for navigation. As an added safety feature of this ship, it is also equipped with 147 life jackets, 20 of which for children, and 10 units rugged life raft with a capacity of 12 and 22 persons each, or a combined capacity of 140 both for adults and children. Life jackets can be found under seats in every accommodation. For comfort and convenience, there are lavatories found in the main deck of the ship. There is a garbage can near you for your waste and other litters. May we appeal for your cooperation in maintaining the cleanliness of our facilities as well as our surroundings. At this point, we shall demonstrate to you how to use the life jackets. To wear the life jackets, slip it over your body, fold lower tape twice around your waist and secure it tightly by knot. Then secure comfortably upper tape around neck. Fire extinguisher and fire hydrant can be found in every accommodation with mark. In case of emergency, wait for further instructions from the ship's steward or crew. They are trained to handle the situation that may arise. But always remember, do not panic. Furthermore, please study carefully safety instructions found in the station bill and know where the emergency exits are. Whenever an emergency drill is held during this voyage, you will be required to put on your life jackets and report to your stations where life raft will be lowered. For your additional knowledge and safety, do not miss this drill. The ship's plan is posted near the entrance showing the exits and location of life raft. May we remind you that smoking in closed spaces and designated non-smoking area is strictly prohibited. At any time during this trip, please don't hesitate to call on our crew for assistance. And to enable us to serve you even better, may we ask you to drop your suggestions in a drop box provided for the said purpose. Take note that there are marked seats reserved for handicapped persons and senior citizens in compliance with BP 344, otherwise known as the Accessibility Law, and RA 7432. No other passengers shall use these seats without the permission by the captain. On behalf of the management and staff of Island Shipping Corporation, we the officers and crew of MV Island Fastcraft 1 would like to thank you for making us a part of your day.
Ang Philippine Coast Guard, Marina ug Island Shipping Corporation nagaawhag sa inyong kooperasyon sa paghinlo sa atong kadagatan pinaagi sa paglabay sa inyong basura diha sa basurahan nga gipahimutang matag akomodasyon sa barko. Dili maglabay og bisan unsang basura sa dagat. Ang kahinlo sa palibot mao'y sumbanan sa maayong panglawas. Daghang salamat ug maayong paglawig. Attention to all passengers on board, please prepare your tickets for inspection. Attention to all passengers on board, please prepare your tickets for inspection.